There is a silent clock ticking inside your body right now. Most people choose to ignore it. They look in the mirror and worry about gray hair or wrinkles, but they are missing the invisible danger that is actually stealing their future. It starts slowly. You find yourself groaning when you get out of a chair. You hesitate before walking down a flight of stairs. You stop carrying your own groceries. You might think this is just normal aging. I am here to tell you that it is not normal. It is a warning signal. Medical researchers have identified a condition called Sarcopenia. It is the involuntary loss of muscle mass that happens as we get older. If left unchecked, it doesn't just make you weak, it strips away your independence. It is the #1 reason seniors end up leaving their own homes and entering assisted living facilities. But I have good news. In fact, I have incredible news. You can stop that clock. You can even turn it back. You don't need a gym. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't even need to change into workout clothes. What you are about to do in the next 15 minutes is more powerful than any pill you can take. We are going to go through 7 specific movements. These aren't just random exercises. These are diagnostic tests that strengthen your body's foundation. I need you to make a promise to me right now. Do not skip the 4th movement. Movement number 4 is the single greatest predictor of fall risk. If you cannot do movement number 4, you are in the danger zone, and we need to fix that today. Are you ready to take back control of your life? Are you ready to prove that age is just a number? Let's begin. We are going to start by waking up the connection between your brain and your body. Stand up if you can, or sit tall in a sturdy chair. Do not lean back against the chair. Support your own weight. We start with the neck and shoulders. Tension here cuts off blood flow to the brain, leading to headaches and poor balance. Slowly drop your chin to your chest. Feel the stretch down the back of your spine. Now, slowly look up toward the ceiling. Don't crank your neck back. Just look up gently. Down again. And up. Now, let's do shoulder rolls. This is crucial. Most of us spend our days hunched forward. We need to open the chest to let oxygen in. Lift your shoulders up to your ears, roll them back, and slide them down your spine. Imagine you are putting your shoulder blades into your back pockets. Let's do this together for 30 seconds. Up, back, and down. Up, back, and down. Do you hear any clicking or popping? That is okay. That is just your joints waking up. Keep going. Breathing is everything here. Inhale as you lift, exhale as you roll back. We are lubricating the joints. Think of this like putting oil in a car engine. You wouldn't drive a car without oil, so don't move your body without this warm-up. 2 more. Make them big. Last one. Good. Now we move to the hands. This might surprise you, but your grip strength is directly correlated to your heart health. A weak grip often signals a weak heart. Plus, if you slip, your hands are your safety net. We need them strong. Stretch your arms out in front of you. Open your hands as wide as possible. Spread your fingers until you feel a stretch in the palm. Now, clench them into tight fists. Squeeze hard. Open wide. Squeeze tight. Open. Squeeze. We are going to do this 20 times fast. This pumps blood from your extremities back to your heart. Go. Open, close. Open, close. Keep your elbows straight. You might feel a burning sensation in your forearms. Do not stop. That burn is weakness leaving your body. That burn is you getting stronger. 5 more. 3, 2, 1. Shake your hands out. Shake them vigorously. Feel that tingling. That is life energy returning to your hands. Now, we arrive at the most critical part of our lower body foundation, the sit to stand. If you take nothing else away from this video, please master this movement. This is the difference between living independently and needing a caretaker. Stand in front of your chair. Make sure it is stable and won't slide. Ideally, I want you to cross your arms over your chest. If you can't do that yet, you can place your hands on your thighs. But do not use the armrests of the chair unless you absolutely have to. Here is the technique. Feet shoulder width apart. Shift your weight into your heels. Lower yourself slowly. Count to 3 on the way down. 1, 2, 3. Sit. Now, the hard part. Lean your nose over your toes. Drive through your heels and stand up powerfully. Squeeze your glutes at the top. We are going to do 10 of these together. I will count for you. Do not rush. 1. Down slow. Tap the chair. And up. 2. Down slow. Control it. And up. If you flop down into the chair, you are cheating. The strength is built on the way down. 3. Breathe in on the way down. Breathe out on the way up. 4. Are your knees caving in? Push your knees out slightly. Don't let them touch. 5. We are halfway there. If your legs are shaking, that is good. That means you are challenging the muscles. 6. This movement strengthens the quadriceps, which are the brakes of your body. They stop you from falling. 7. Keep your chest up. Look straight ahead, not at the floor. 8. Almost there. You are doing a great job. 9. Stay with me. 10. Stand up and hold it. Stay standing. Take a deep breath. You just sent a massive signal to your body to build bone density in your hips. Now, we move to the exercise I warned you about. The balance test. Falls are the silent epidemic. But balance is not something you lose permanently. It is just a skill you have forgotten. We are going to relearn it. Stand next to your chair or a wall. I want you to have something to hold on to for safety. We are going to do the tightrope walk or tandem stance. Place your right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe. Ideally, they should touch. It's like you are standing on a narrow beam. Now, try to let go of the chair. If you are wobbling, that is actually perfect. I want you to wobble. When you wobble, your brain is firing thousands of signals to your ankles to stabilize you. If you are perfectly still, you aren't learning. Hold this. We are aiming for 30 seconds. Focus your eyes on one spot in the room that isn't moving. A picture frame, a light switch. Lock your eyes onto it. Keep holding. If this is too easy for you, I want you to slowly turn your head to the right, then to the left. Do you feel how much harder that is? 5 more seconds on this side. 3, 2, 1. Switch feet. Put the left foot in front of the right, heel to toe. You will notice one side is much harder than the other. This is your blind spot. You need to know which side is weaker so you can protect it. Which side was harder for you? Left or right? I want you to remember that. And after the video, leave a comment telling me. It's important to acknowledge it. Let go of the chair if you can. Stand tall. Shoulders back. Tighten your stomach muscles. Your core is your center of gravity. Hold it. Feel those ankles working. That vibration in your legs is strength building. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Shake out your legs. We are now going to target the muscles that lift your feet. This prevents shuffling. When seniors shuffle their feet, they trip over rugs, cracks in the sidewalk, and door frames. We need to train your feet to clear the ground. Stand tall, holding the chair for balance. We are going to do heel raises first. Lift your heels as high as you can, coming up onto your tiptoes. Squeeze your calves. Lower down slowly. Do not drop. Up. Squeeze. Down. Let's do 15. 1, 2, 3. This pumps blood back up from your legs to your heart. It is excellent for circulation and reducing swelling in the ankles. 4, 5, 6. Are you going all the way up? Don't cheat the movement. Go to the very top. 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. Don't stop. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, the reverse. This is the one everyone forgets. Toe raises. Rock back on your heels and lift your toes off the ground. This is much harder. You might only get them an inch off the ground. That is okay. We are strengthening the tibialis anterior muscle on the front of your shin. This is the muscle that lifts your foot when you walk so you don't trip. Let's do 15. Lift and hold for a second. And down. Lift. And down. Feel that burn in the front of the shin. That is a very neglected muscle. Keep going. If you can't lift your toes very high, that is a sign you need to do this exercise every single day. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent work. We have 2 more movements. This next one opens up the hips. Tight hips lead to back pain and knee pain. Stand facing your chair or counter. Keep your legs straight and lift it directly out to the side. Do not lean your body to the opposite side. Try to stay upright. This works the gluteus medius, a crucial muscle for hip stability. Lift and lower. Let's do 10 on the right leg. 1, 2, 3. Control the movement. Don't swing the leg like a pendulum. Lift it with muscle. 4, 5, 6. You should feel this in the side of your hip. 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch legs. Left leg out to the side. 1, 2, 3. I know you are getting tired. This is the point where most people turn off the video. But you are not most people. You are fighting for your health. Stay with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our final movement is for the upper body and core. The wall push-up. You need upper body strength to push yourself out of bed, to push open heavy doors, and to catch yourself. Find a wall. Place your hands shoulder width apart at chest height. Step your feet back so your body is at an angle. Keep your body straight like a plank of wood. Lower your chest toward the wall. Get your nose close to the wall. Now push back strongly. We are going to do 12 of these to finish strong. 1, 2. Keep your elbows tucked in slightly. Don't let them flare out like chicken wings. 3. Tighten your stomach. 4, 5. This builds bone density in your wrists and arms. 6, 7, 8. You are doing fantastic. 9, 10. 2 more. Make them the best ones yet. 11, 12. And relax. Stand tall. Put your hand on your heart. Feel it beating. That is the rhythm of a body that is alive and working. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Exhale through your mouth, letting all the tension go. You have just completed a routine that puts you in the top 1% of seniors. Most people are sitting on the couch right now, letting their muscles dissolve. You chose to fight. You chose life. But here's the catch. Doing this once is great. Doing this consistently is a miracle. Biology does not care about your intentions. It only respects your actions. If you stop now, the clock starts ticking backward again. So I have a challenge for you. I call it the 7-Day Independence Challenge. I want you to come back to this video every morning for the next 7 days. It is just 15 minutes. Treat it like a prescription from a doctor. You wouldn't skip your heart medication, so don't skip your movement medication. I want to know who is with me. Go to the comment section right now. I want you to type, "I accept the challenge." Seeing your own commitment written down changes your psychology. It makes it real. And one last thing, if you found this helpful, please click the like button. It helps us reach more seniors who are struggling with their mobility. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video, where we will discuss the 3 foods you must avoid if you have arthritis. You did a wonderful job today. Be proud of yourself. Drink a glass of water, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Stay strong.